Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be doing another painting, experimenting with some requested colors on a smaller canvas. I ordered some 24 by 36 canvas, fairly big, so I just wanted to hash out a few things before I get to playing with the bigger and more expensive canvas. So the colors for today are black, white, and purple. And because I use my black so much, I went ahead, actually broke out my bottle. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I also sprayed something on my canvas, so if it starts resisting, I know why. Look at that. Has character. I do also have my trusty little skewer over here that I like to prod my paint with when it's not doing what I want it to. But so far it's filling in. And if you're wondering how my paints are breaking apart like this, one of my paints is mixed with alcohol, one is mixed with water, and this is why I like to do this, because it creates this neat little chemical reaction that I wasn't expecting. Now my purple is mixed with a couple of things. Let me see if I can move my light for you guys. My purple is mixed with dioxine and I don't know where the other tube went. It's a lighter purple. It's not quite violet, but it's not dioxine either. I just pronounced that two different ways and I realized that. I feel like I'm gonna go through way more white than I am black. But then again, I have more black than I do white. So I can be kind of free with the black, not as much with the white. It's gonna grab my purple here. It's like I have a couple of ideas regarding this project, but I wanted to experiment a little bit as well. So this is definitely room for that. I have these little, I'm gonna throw that. I have these little 14 by 14 canvases. So I'm like, why not put them to use? Normally I would have a glove on, but you know what? I've been in a sculpture class all day. I don't even care anymore. Which reminds me, at some point in the near future, I plan on posting a video about having my face casted in plaster. Now, that may or may not be interesting to you guys, but I definitely think it'd be a cool process to go back and see, because obviously I won't be able to see what's going on around me. Which, it's not really nerve-wracking, it's just a different experience, and I find it kind of cool. You never can be too experienced as an artist. And so, where my paint likes to sit and run and do all these interesting things, I'm just kind of guiding it to the edge, coercing it, if you will, to do what I want it to do. Now, since I have so much purple left, I'm going to get these corners where it doesn't want to, act right. I'm gonna adjust my light just a little bit. And if any of you who watch my videos wonder when I'm gonna get lighting for my art videos, it's not the lighting, it's the tripods. I only have 2, which you would think would be enough, but I didn't realize that I would need 2 for this. And you guys are like, ugh, Infiniti, why? Get your life together. Yeah. I feel like this would look good if it had some like iridescent in it or some kind of sparkly stuff. So I'll probably end up going back to the art store and telling them I don't have a problem, you know, I'm just there living that artist life. Do you guys see how this white just like clouds and expands in the water? Gotta love chemistry. Gotta love watching that acid react with the bases and chemistry coming back at you like a truck. Okay. And I'm actually happy to be able to do this. That giant cardboard scorpion is not on my art desk right now. So I'm like, hey, you know, while my new Sims pack is installing and I don't have anything pressing on my art table right now, why don't we just, you know, record? Which is kind of therapeutic, except for the editing process. But it's kind of therapeutic doing these videos, so I just like talking to you guys. And then these are the videos where I get to pretty much ramble very quickly. I want to look around the edge of this canvas and make sure it's covered this side, yeah. And that's fine. So it has, for the most part. I'm just gonna go across here with a little more black. Now, what I'm thinking, you guys, is that the larger painting or paintings that I plan to do will be an outdoor recording. So probably on a weekend. I think that's going to be fun. It's going to be something different for the channel. But let me know what you think. I ordered 2 canvases, so, you know, let me know if you guys have any color suggestions or if there's anything you want to see poured or dripped. And 9 times out of 10, the big canvas is going to be like a drip painting. I don't know. I have to set up outside and see how that looks. Find a nice non-stormy day, because that canvas is not going to fit on this table. I've determined that already. So I'm going to go ahead, dismount, show you guys what this looks like, and I want to hit it with some sparkles. But I'll come back and finish off the video. Alright, crafties, I am here now with this painting. I just want you guys to see it. Now, what I may end up doing, depending on how this stuff dries, because not all of this is acrylic, or complete acrylic, I may actually do another one, another pour, and see how the purple dries, because it's a really low-key color. And right now, while it's wet, which, by the way, if you guys know me, you know that I live for wet paint, but right now it's nice. But I mixed my purple in an odd way as well as my black, so I want to see how that reacts, and I'm going to probably do a nice varnish over this, make it nice and glossy and shiny, and hang it somewhere. I think that's good. And alright, well, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos in the future. I know I enjoy doing my art in general, but I enjoyed starting to record it and just kind of having fun and talking with you guys. So until next time, guys, happy making.